Vanakkam. This is my 9th video module in the topic of rational numbers for the foundation course in mathematics, and this course is presented for you by Vidhyalakshmi Senior Secondary School, Vellore. In each and every course, we are solving 5 numerical problems in the topic of rational numbers, and by the same way in this class also we are going to solve 5 numerical problems. And let us start with our first question now. The first question you can see over the board, 3 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 6 plus 3 by 8. 7 by 6 plus 3 by 8 is given within the bracket. Okay. So I want to simplify this. Not just simplification. You can see that it is 3 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 6 plus 3 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8 by how much? It is asked. So we have to compare this 3 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 6 plus 3 by 8 along with this 5 by 8. Okay, here it is a comparison problem. Okay, first I want to take this expression, this 3 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 6 plus 3 by 8. I am taking, first of all I want to simplify this. Okay, yes, simplify. I want to simplify this, then only I can able to compare with this fraction 5 by 8. So for simplification, first I simplify the expression within the bracket, and the LCM between 6 and 8 is actually 24. So for that I need to make this 7 by 6 and this 3 by 8 for to have the same denominator 24, and for that I am multiplying here 4 and here I am multiplying 3. Okay. Then what I am getting here, you can see that 3 by 4 multiplied by 7 4s are 28 plus 24, 28 by 24 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 by 24. Then in the next step, 3 by 4 multiplied by 28 plus 9, 37 by 24. We are having 37 by 24. Okay, 37 by 24. Is there any common factor between the numerator and denominator here? Yes, this, because I want to make this into a fraction of standard form. Okay, so I just make cancellation here. I can do cancellation here, 3 one time and 3 here 8 time. So after cancellation, the remaining part I am having is what? Yes, 1 into 37 is 37 and 4 8s are 32. So this 37 by 32 is a simplified answer for this expression. And I want to compare by how much this is greater than this 5 by 8. So another one more rational number it is given as 5 by 8. But you know one thing, I cannot able to compare here, because of that these two fractions are having different denominators. I cannot able to find by how much this fraction is greater than this one 5 by 8. Okay, for to compare or to find by how much this 37 by 32 is greater than this 5 by 8, I want to make the denominator same. So for that I just keep this 37 by 32 and I am multiplying this 5 by 8 by 3 in the numerator and sorry, not 3, 4 definitely. Yes, 4. I want to erase here, mistakenly written. See, I want to multiply by 4, then only I can able to get 32. 8 4s are 32. So 37 by 32 is compared with what? Is compared with 5 4s are 20. 20 by 32. So the value of the given expression is 37 by 32, and 5 by 8 we have been converted into 20 by 32. When you compare this 37 by 32 and this 20 by 32, what is the difference? What is the difference between this 37 by 32 and 20 by 32? If you find the difference, then it would be 17 by 32. 17 by 32 is the difference. So 17 by 32, yes, it is given in option A. So this fraction, that is this rational number, this is actually greater than this 5 by 8 by 17 by 32. Clear? Now, check the answer. Yes, 17 by 32. The difference between this 37 by 32 and 20 by 32 we are getting is 17 by 32. The next problem of this class, second problem of the class, state which of the following is true. Here it is, all these rational numbers are related by equal to sign. So, two rational numbers are actually related here by equal to sign in each of the option. Is it? Okay, for to verify this, there is one rule which is called as, if P by Q equal to R by S, then what we should have, P multiplied by S should be equal to R multiplied by Q. So, this relation must be satisfied. That is, the cross product must be equal. So, that we can check. In other way, we can check by making both the sides to be in standard form. We have to make both the rational numbers in left side and in the right side to be in standard form. And if they are equal, then we can tell that those two rational numbers are equal. So, I just want to first simplify. I am taking this 5 by 8 and 25 by 40. Okay. I do not want to make cross multiplication because it would be easy for to make cancellation here. See, you can make 5 is the common factor between the numerator and denominator. So, 5 5s are 25 and here 5 8s are 40. So, this is also 5 by 8 and this is also 5 by 8 we are getting after cancellation. So, these two are equal. Actually, unexpectedly option A itself we are getting the answer. So, A must be the correct answer. Okay. Let us try with the option B. Definitely will not get the equal answer on both sides. See, 6 by 7 we are having and it is related with 12 by 27. So, if you make cancellation, if you eliminate the common factor between numerator and denominator, here 3 is the common factor, 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27. Definitely 6 by 7 is not equal to 4 by 9. And option C, you can take option C, minus 2 by 7 equal to 4 by 14. But I tell you that this won't be equal because we are having negative sign in the left side and a positive side, and the rational number in the right side is positive. How would be a negative rational number and a positive rational number would be equal? Definitely not. And also this is not going to be equal one because minus 8 by 7 we are having, both the sides we are having negative sign, but let us check minus 72 by 56. When you make cancellation by, because 2 is the common factor we can see here, so 36 after dividing by 2 table, you will be having 36 here, minus 36, and here you will be having 28. So, again this obviously will be or having 2 as common factor, so 18, and here you will be having 14. Again you can go with 2, so 9 time, and here it is 7 time. So, 9 by 7 we are getting the finally simplified 9 by 7, and here we are getting minus 8 by 7. This 9 by 7 and minus 8 by 7 are not equal. In the beginning itself we got this 5 by 8 and 25 by 40 are equal. Then what is the need to check the remaining part? This is actually single response type. That is, only one of the given option is correct. The remaining will be false. Okay. This is not multiple response type question. Okay. Okay, you can see that. Then in third question you can see that which of the following rational number is in standard form. What is standard form of a rational number? Two rational numbers are said to be in standard form only when they have 1 as the common factor between the numerator and in the denominator. Is it not? Yes. Okay. So let us check whether the given rational numbers have any other common factor other than 1. So definitely this is having 2 as common factor, because even number in the numerator and even number in the denominator, also this one, and this is having 3 as the common factor in numerator and denominator, because 21 is divisible by 3 and also 78 is divisible by 3. So all these are having, these two are having 2, and this is actually having 3 as its common factor. Apart from 3 also, it may have, apart from 2 also it may have some other factor, but definitely these are not in standard form. Only this must be in standard form, minus 39 by 125, because no any common factor between this 39 and 125. So the correct option is option C. Option C is the only answer that matches the given question. Okay. Okay. Fine. The next fourth one, you can see that which of the following are not false. It is asked which of the following are not false. Not false means what? It is actually indirectly asking. Not false means, it means which of the following is true. It is asked to find the true statement. Okay. So 0 by 3 is a natural number. The first option tells us 0 by 3 is a natural number. 0 by 3 is a natural number. 0 by 3 is definitely a rational number, because any number in the form of p by q is a rational number, you all know that. But 0 by 3 is a natural number, it is given. Natural number, all the natural numbers will come under the set of rational number, but not all the rational number will be under the set of natural number. Already we studied in the property. I do not want to confuse much more. See, 0 by 3 is 0, and 0 is not a rational number actually. 0 comes, 0 is not a natural number, I tell you. 0 comes under whole number. So definitely this statement is not true. This is false only. This is false. Then next, minus 7 by 8, 2 by minus 3 are fractions. Actually, this is wrong. These are not fractions. These are not called by fractions. These are called by rational numbers alone. Because of that, they are having minus sign. This minus symbol they are having, no, both of them are having a minus symbol. So because of that, it cannot be called by fraction. It can be called by only negative fractions. It may be, if you want to call it by fraction, you can call it by negative fractions alone. We cannot call it as a fraction. It can be called by rational number. Okay. Because you learned the property. All the fractions come under the rational number, but not all the rational numbers will come under fractions. Because negative fractions will not come under fractions. But negative fractions are also included in the set of rational numbers. Right? The next option C, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 9, 9 by 11 are fractions. Yes, definitely fractions. So this is correct one, fractions. As well as rational numbers. Yes, definitely any number in the form of p by q. So this is in the form of p by q, 4 by 5, p by q, 7 by 8, p by q, 9 by 11, p by q. So all these are in the form of p by q, so that we can accept that those are rational numbers. So these fractions are fractions and also as well as rational numbers. So this is actually the correct statement here. So this is true statement. You can see here, see that, and this is a false statement. And let us try with the last one. 0 is the smallest rational number. 0 is the smallest rational number. It is actually false. I tell you, false. Why it is false? Apart from 0, we are having negative numbers also included in the set of rational numbers. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are also rational numbers. So 0 is not the limit for rational numbers. Beyond 0 in the side of negative, okay, we are having lot of numbers. Okay, so 0 is the smallest rational number. No. We can tell like this. 0 is the smallest whole number. We can tell like this. 0 is the smallest whole number, we can call it as 0 is the smallest whole number. So definitely the only option that it is true, that is not false, is option C. Okay, option C is the correct answer for this question. And we are moving to the next question, question number 5. Okay, question number 5, you can see that a problem is given here. This mathematical sentence represents. So a mathematical sentence is given here, you can see here. So I just take that 473 multiplied by 23 is equal to 473 multiplied by 20 plus 473 multiplied by 3. You cannot able to understand that what this expression tells unless you write this 23 as 20 plus 3. When you look at this now, you can understand easily that this 473 is actually distributed here. 473 multiplied by 20, 473 multiplied by 3. So what this is called as? Yes, exactly. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So distributive property of this is addition, not the option C. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Yes, option D is the correct one. Option D is the correct one. Option D is the correct one. Whereas option A is commutative property, definitely not. Associative property, no. Distributive property of addition over multiplication, we are not having distributive property for addition over multiplication. So option D is the correct answer, the only correct answer. Okay. Okay, this is the last question of this session, and you can see the answer here for your verification. The same way it has done. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. And with this, I am going to end up this session of class. I hope that this session of class is much useful for you. And as usual, as regular, I want to tell you that please like the video, share the video, and also comment over the video, subscribe our channel. Okay, much helpful for us. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye-bye.